AI has undoubtedly made significant strides in various industries, including UI/UX design, but the belief that AI can single-handedly revolutionize the field and replace human designers is an overestimation that fails to acknowledge the complexities and nuances of UI/UX design. The limitations of AI in UI/UX design. Lack of human creativity and intuition. AI algorithms excel at analyzing data and identifying patterns, but they lack the innate creativity and intuition that human designers possess. Designers bring a unique perspective, imagination, and the ability to think outside the box, which are crucial for creating innovative and user-centric designs. Understanding user emotions and context. UI/UX design is not solely about aesthetics, it involves understanding user emotions, motivations, and the context in which the design will be used. Human designers have the capacity to empathize with users, consider their needs, and create designs that evoke positive emotions. AI struggles to comprehend the intricacies of human emotions and the subtleties of user experiences. Iterative design and user testing. UI/UX design is an iterative process that involves continuous refinement based on user feedback. Human designers are skilled at conducting user research, gathering insights, and incorporating them into their designs. AI, while capable of analyzing data, lacks the ability to understand user feedback in the same way a human designer can, hindering the iterative design process. Examples highlighting the limitations of AI in UI/UX design. Personalized e-commerce recommendations. AI-powered recommendation systems are widely used in e-commerce platforms. While they can analyze user behavior and make product suggestions, they often fail to capture the nuances of individual preferences and unique user contexts. Human designers, on the other hand, can consider factors such as user demographics, psychographics, and personalization preferences to create more accurate and tailored recommendations. Voice user interface VUI design. AI-driven voice assistants have become increasingly popular, but designing effective VUIs requires more than just speech recognition. Human designers understand the importance of conversational flow, context, and user expectations. They can create intuitive and engaging voice interfaces that go beyond simple question-and-answer interactions, providing a more natural and satisfying user experience. Emotional design in healthcare apps. In healthcare apps, emotional design plays a crucial role in creating a comforting and supportive user experience. While AI can analyze medical data and provide recommendations, it often falls short in understanding the emotional needs of patients. Human designers can incorporate empathetic design elements, such as calming colors, reassuring visuals, and thoughtful interactions, to create a more compassionate and user-friendly healthcare app. AI undoubtedly has its merits and can assist UI/UX designers in various aspects of the design process. But it is crucial to recognize that AI is not a substitute for human creativity, intuition, and empathy. By embracing the collaboration between AI and human designers, we can leverage the strengths of both to create exceptional UI/UX designs that truly resonate with users and deliver meaningful experiences. If you like my video, please like it, share it with others, or subscribe to my channel.